So let's make shawarma. So this is the pieces of chicken, um, chicken or breast, the breast part of the chicken. Just slice it into pieces. Season it, your normal seasoning method. Season it, fry it with a very low heat. Low heat until it's as brown and crispy as this. So I forgot to show you guys the process of me seasoning it, but this is it. I season it normally like this, and use the part that does not have bone. You're going to use the flesh parts that we're gonna use. Then you will need your cabbage, cucumber, and carrots. Grate is like method where you use in if you are doing salad. You grate it. When you finish grating everything together, this is the process. This is how it's gonna come out. And this is the shawarma bread. You can make it. Actually, I didn't make this one I bought. This is already made. I bought. So this is the things I use to mix it: mayonnaise, black pepper, and ketchup. To mix this I'm going to use. So the cream I'm going to use for the salad. First, you pieces the chicken with your hands, or you can use knife just to pieces it in a very small and tiny pieces. For the cream, I put ketchup, mayonnaise, black pepper, and I also add a little bit of normal dry pepper just to give it a little, so that it's not just be dry, but just give it a little bit of dry taste. And this is a cream. If you have other things to add, you can still add other things you would like to add, because my own, I later put barbecue sauce or any other sauce you feel like, oh, you have already made sauce, you can add to it to make it. So this is how it came out. So when you're done, just put it in your salad, put it in, mix it together, make sure it's enough, make sure the cream you're putting is enough for the salad you're using, mix it all together.